Welcome in e-learning classes in the series of learning if else statement. We are learning if elif. I hope you all have go through with this entire explanation. Student, based on this explanation, I am going to give you a question. I am going to erase all these things. During erasing, I will tell you the question. Question is, write a program that accepts 3 numbers and print the biggest number among them. Yes, student, once again I am repeating. Write a program that accepts 3 numbers and print biggest. Okay, I hope you all are ready. Student, so first you have to take 3 input. So write 3 input coding. N1 is number 1. It is a variable N1 which is going to store integer as an input. After this message will enter number, double quote open, double quote close, and then at the last 2 bracket will close. Again N2, it is another variable. Again it is going to take as int input. Then in double quote mark enter number, double quote close. Again 2 bracket will close, and last N3 int input, then message, enter number. And student, with the help of these 3 lines, you will able to get 3 input with this message, and you can change the message, enter first number, enter second number, enter third number, whatever message you want, you write it. Okay student, now check your first condition. If N1 is greater than N2 and it is logical operator. Those who are not knowing about AND operator, go through my video. It is available in my playlist, logical operator. Just watch it. And if N2 greater than N3, no, N1 greater than N3, colon. Student, what will happen? Suppose in N1 you have put 15, in N2 you have given 10, in N3 you have given 6. So N1 is greater than N2, 15 is greater than 10, true. N1 greater than N3, and 15 greater than 6, true. So these entire will become true, and when first condition become true, just write down after 4 spaces, 1, 2, 3, 4, start from here, write it, print biggest number, double quote, comma, and biggest number is available in N1. Student, suppose you have given N1 15 and 200 and 3 6, so N1 greater than N2? No, because N2 is 100, so this becomes false. N1 greater than N3, 15 greater than 6, yes. So false, true, false and true, when will be added through AND, together it becomes false. So student, if this condition will false, so it means N1 is not in the series of biggest number. Then 2 number left, N2 and N3. So check in another condition which will add your elif N2 greater than N3, and colon, and after colon just write print biggest number, it is available in N2, else colon print biggest number, double quote, N3. Student, how this will work? First take this example. 1500. So N1 is 15, N2 is 100, and N3 is 6. So N1 greater than N2, 15 greater than 100, false. N1 greater than N3, true. But false and true become false. So when this entire will false, this will not happen. So execution will move to here. N2 means 100, N3 means 6. 100 is greater than 6, yes. So this line will execute. Among these three lines, 1, 2, 3, only one line will execute, either this one or this one. So this condition is going to become true. So biggest number is N2. So here you can say that yes, biggest number is N2. Suppose you have given 15, 10 and 6. So what will happen? N1 15 greater than 10, yes. N1 15, N3 6 greater than, yes. So this line will happen. Biggest number is N1. Suppose you have given 15, 10 and 60. N1 greater than N2, yes, true. And N1 greater than N3, 15 and 16, no, false. So true and false, again it becomes false. So this line will not execute. Condition will move to here. N2, 10, greater than N3, 16. So 10 greater than 16, false. When this false, automatically execution will move to else part. So this line will execute. Biggest number is N3. Student, if you are having any doubt, go through this video at least 2 or 3 times. All your doubt will clear. Stay healthy, stay safe, and please subscribe my channel.